Hello students, today in this video we are going to talk about features of banking and we are going to study the points of distinction between traditional banking and modern banking. So traditional banks they used to carry on banking business, but the way they used to carry on banking business and today the way modern banks carry on the business, there is a difference. Traditional banks used to carry basic function of the bank, that is accepting the deposit and lending the deposit. That was the only one function or primary function which the traditional banks used to carry on. But now the modern banks are using latest technology for providing banking services, and with the help of technology, n number of services are provided to the customers. So in this video, we are going to talk about the points of distinction between traditional banking and modern banking. First, we'll study the features of banking. So the first feature of banking is dealing in money. Dealing in money means the bank deals in money. So the bank accepts deposit from the public and the same amount, same deposit, they lend it to the needy people in the form of loans and advances. So banker receives money and pays money. That means the banker is a dealer in money. Bank deals in money. Second feature of banking is dealing with credit. So dealing with credit means it is said that banks create credit. How they create credit? So whatever money they receive from the depositors, they do not keep that money idle with them, but again they give the credit to the people, needy people. That is means they create the credit. So creation of credit is the unique feature of banking. Third feature is commercial in nature. So whenever the banks are started, what is the main purpose or main objective behind starting the banks is to earn profit or make money. So banks are not started for charity or for welfare, etc., but they are started to earn money, earn profit out of that. So in this sense, the bank is considered as commercial institution and hence banks are commercial in nature. Profit making is the only motive behind starting this banking business. Fourth feature is nature of agent. Now what does it mean by agent? Agent is a person who is appointed by the principal to act on his behalf. Principal, as per the instructions from the principal, agent carries on the services or does something on behalf of the principal. It is the feature of the bank that nature of agent. Nature of agent means bank act as the agent of the customer. So in addition with the basic functions, modern bankers provide the services, agency services to the customers. Modern banker performs many agency services, means they do many things on behalf of the customer. That is the meaning of nature of agent. Fifth feature of bank is deposit must be withdrawable. So whenever the customer depositor deposits the money, whenever the customer wants that money back, he can demand that money. So these deposits are withdrawable on demand. The customer may withdraw those deposits either by checks or drafts or in any other form. The deposits are withdrawable. Now we will discuss modern bank. What does it mean by modern bank? So it is a question which is usually asked for 2 marks. Define modern bank. What do you mean by modern bank? So now what is the difference between traditional bank and modern bank? Nowadays we can see that the time limit for carrying on or providing this banking services, it has been reduced to a lot extent. Why there is a reduction in time? Because of use of latest technology or because of use of new devices. So modern banks are those banks which use technology to carry on banking services, and with the help of technology and new devices, new machinery, they are providing the services, and with very high speed the services are provided to the customers. So in short, what is the meaning of modern bank? In modern banking, banking services are provided with speed by using all new devices. That is, technology is used. And what are the services which are provided by modern banks? That is e-banking, electronic banking, ATM, telebanking, etc. So modern banks use latest technology, use machinery, new devices to carry on banking operations. Because of that, the speed of the services has been increased, pace of the services has been increased. That is modern bank. Now, we will discuss difference between traditional banking and modern banking. So first we'll discuss the point of distinction and then or basis of distinction and then traditional and modern bank. The first point of distinction is services or products. So which services are provided by the traditional bank and modern bank? So which services traditional bank used to provide? That is savings bank account, cash credit, current bank account, safe deposit lockers, etc. These are the basic functions, or at the most fixed deposit account, etc. These were the services provided by the traditional bank. Now, modern banks provide which services? They provide electronic banking services such as ATMs, electronic funds transfers, credit card, debit card, internet banking, etc. So modern banks cannot just stick on to the functions of traditional bank and provide only those services, but along with those services they have to provide additional services. So in order to compete with other banks, as we know, the competition in the market has been increased, and if they want to stay in the market, they have to provide different services to the customers, and these services are innovative services. Because of that, the customer, it has become very easy for the customer. All these operations are very customer friendly and easy to operate. Second point of distinction is places of transaction. So from where the banking business can be transacted. In case of traditional banking, customer had to go to the branch of the bank in person to perform the basic functions. So whenever customer wanted to withdraw the money or make the payment or whatever it is, customer personally needs to go to the bank, and then he could perform the banking functions. But nowadays, because of the electronic banking facilities, customer can undertake the basic banking transactions by sitting at home. He need not to go to the branch of the bank. At home also, or with the help of telephone, internet connection, with personal computer or laptop, he can perform the banking transaction by sitting at home also. The person need not to go to the banks, etc. So this it has benefited a lot during this condition of pandemic like COVID. Now, next point of distinction is restriction. It is said that in case of traditional banking there are more restrictions. In case of modern banking there are very less restrictions. It is very liberal. Next point of distinction is cost of service. In case of traditional banking, it is said that it is costly. Modern banking, it is said that it is cheaper. Why traditional bank is costly and modern bank is cheaper? In case of traditional bank, they have to appoint employees for the bank. As machinery is not used, latest technology, new devices were not used in traditional banking, they need to appoint many people and they used to pay salary to these people. In case of modern banking, it is cheaper. Why? They install lot amount of machinery is installed. No doubt, installation cost in the initial phase will be more. But once the machinery is installed, they need not to worry about, just they have to pay for maintenance. Every month they need not to pay the salary. This is why the cost of service of traditional bank is higher compared to cost of service of modern banking. Now the fifth point of distinction between these two is art or science. In case of traditional banking, it is said that it is just an art of carrying on a banking function. It is just an art. But in case of modern banking, they say that it is not just an art, but it is more scientific and knowledge based. As lot amount of new devices, technology is used, science is used for carrying on banking businesses. So it is more scientific, knowledge based, and it is not just an art like traditional banking. Now, sixth point of distinction is not confined to branch of bank, that is banking building. In case of traditional banking, it is essential in doing banking business, what is essential? So a building having an infrastructure, a building, then desks, tables, furniture, everything is very essential to carry on the banking business. Without the proper infrastructure, traditional banks, it was impossible for them to function. But nowadays, modern banks need not require a particular kind of infrastructure. Just with the help of computer or laptops with internet connection, banking business can be carried on. That banking building or that infrastructure required for traditional banking is not required in case of modern banking. So these were the points of distinction between modern banking and traditional banking. In next video, we will start the discussion about classification of banks. Thank you very much.